broke. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Dr.SidewayZ. I appreciate everybody that subscribed to this point. Today we're working on the R32 again, trying to get caught up on some things. It's been a little bit since I gave you an update on the R32. So we should be getting some things in today to start being able to run the oil lines to the oil cooler. I just got done hanging the oil cooler, welding up the bracket for that, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little shot of that real quick. This is what we got going on here. I'm trying to get everything cleaned up a little bit so I at least have some work room. First we're gonna get the lawnmower out. I did notice something that I hadn't cranked this thing up in a while, so look at this. At some point she's spraying a hydraulic leak, so I'm gonna have to mess with that also. It's never ending. It's always something going on. Yeah, so AN12 to AN10 adapters. Not perfect, but I got a time window I gotta hit now, so. I really like this tripod that I got. I broke over and got a fluid head. Just makes for really nice pan-in shots. Hopefully y'all enjoy it as much as I do. This makes for really cool photos. First we're gonna get this mess up. Alright, I'm gonna be back and forth between shooting handheld and on the tripod. I gotta try and figure out timing on today. I'm gonna try and get as much as I can done today. More or less what I need to get done. I need to get the oil cooler lines ran up and in the engine bay and then over in here to the oil filter block. I also need to get the headlight painted so that we're matching. I went through and somebody had put in the halo, so I went in and pulled them off and then blacked out the housings. I think it looks a little bit better, especially with a Millennium J. I think it's gonna be real nice. But I gotta get this headlight done too. I ran out of paint on the last one. I also need to go in and weld up this intercooler bracket.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when ruthless. But it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's
I got like one more fuel line that I need to run over here. This is just so I can get this thing running and get it tuned and all. It's kind of temporary. I'm not a fan of how all the lines are different colors, and this is like stainless steel and nylon external, which is nice, but I kind of want to go ahead and do hard lines on all this stuff just so it's a little bit more professional looking. Wow, that's bright. I'm gonna go ahead and crawl up underneath the car and see what I can see as far as on the oil filter housing, what I'm gonna end up having to do as far as lines. If you want to, come with me. Alright, this is probably gonna get very awkward under here, but let's go. Alright, we can't see anything in here. Alright, let's see what we got up in there. Alright, so that's where our oil lines are gonna end up having to hook into. That's the oil filter sandwich. So my nice tripod with a fluid head literally just broke. I was trying to fold the legs out, and for some bright idea I decided to step on it, so yeah, that's broken. I'm just messing around. Everybody was wondering how I got my fuse boxes looking so good. This is just a fuse box that, as you can see, it's kind of beat, but it's not something you're going to be able to just readily be able to find. This one's the same way. It just doesn't look appealing. So I went ahead and went through and washed it. Go ahead and wash them, make them clean. But the trick to it, believe it or not, to get them looking really nice is actually Cerakote. This stuff's almost permanent. They say it's like 200 or 300 washes, but I don't know. I basically view it as being permanent. It seems to last forever, but you do want gloves whenever you put it on because it's kind of permanent. But yeah, so go ahead and open it. Cerakote actually makes gun coatings, and this is their entry into the automotive field. Get it out of the way. But yeah, it works really nicely. You just wipe it on, and it kind of looks like Armor All, but it's not. It doesn't leave that nasty residue. As you can see, that thing's already shining. Alright guys, it's had a little bit of time to dry, so we're going to actually go ahead and toss it in. That way I can start mocking up the wiring, lengthening off. I actually use these nylon washers on the back side of stuff as I mount them. It just keeps the engine bay from getting scratched up. Look how good this looks. I didn't do the inside because I kind of ran out, but you'll see the difference. I mean, you can see it right there. Just how much the shine is. Once I get the fuse box in, it's going to look real good. What's up, YouTube? Guess what today is? I got a package in the mail I'm super stoked for. Yo, we got channel stickers, yo. Look at that. It's official. First one to comment gets a free sticker. Alright, so where do we put this thing? It's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. So, do we put it there? Down here? That's kind of weird. It's a weird spot.